But to each his own. I wouldn't rock these, but some people, you know, they love this shoe, you feel me? Like, I have arguments with my friends all the time. Like, they'd be like, yo, 500s are fire. I'd be like, yo, what the hell is wrong with you, man? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. First and foremost, if you are new to the channel or first time seeing me, just go down there, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. Alright, so look, we are back today with another sneaker review, and it's another Yeezy review. I know this one is kind of late. I was just waiting for all the packages to come in, and they came in a few days ago, but I'm finally getting across to the video, man. So you guys gonna get the video today. This is gonna be an unboxing review, and I'm gonna bring you guys it on foot. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's hop into the unboxing. It's been a minute since I unboxed a actual box, so here's my scissors, and let's get into the unboxing. So Yeezy 500s, not really a huge fan of Yeezy 500s. The utility blacks came out a couple years ago, I believe in 2018 or 2017, I forgot the year, but you know, it was just a sneaker, a new Yeezy that people weren't really liking, I don't think. Well, I don't know, I didn't like at all, just because of the model. And they came out with the all black pair, and when you realize that people really love all black Yeezys, this shoe was the first shoe that made me realize that people really love all black Yeezys. Because to me, this is a very ugly shoe, and people were rocking the hell out of this. Like, they thought they was the man or something, or the woman or something. Yeah, so 2020 they did the restock, re-release, whatever you want to call it, and here we have the shoe. Voila, box. Yeah. All right, as you guys can see, the box on top, it says 500, and right here it says Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. The size tag, this is a size 9 focus, and it's utility black, utility black, utility black. I also have two more pairs. This is a size 5, and then this pair right here is a size 7. Yeah, you guys saying like I would clickbait. I don't know why I would Photoshop a thumbnail to clickbait. That's mad work, man. You just might as well just do the thumbnail, you feel me? But alright, let's get into the shoe unboxing, man. So as it slides open, regular Yeezys, has that shiny little paper on top. Pull it down, we have the shoe right here. And you know, looking at it, it's more of a ashy black as opposed to a full-on like black. Like compared to my hoodie, this thing is like ashy. More of a, how you call it, faded, you could say, but it looks ashy, man. Looks ashy. But yeah, here you have the shoes. We're gonna cut to a quick B-roll, and then we're gonna come back and break down the shoe and everything. Coming back from the B-roll, as you guys can see, it is a Yeezy 500 model. You guys should know that already. It's mesh upper with suede on the toe area and around the shoe. The outsole or midsole going into the outsole is a ortholite, and that's like for you know, doctors wear those type of soles. It's super comfortable, I have to say. And I have the 700, so I know how comfortable ortholite cushioning is, and it's super lightweight, super comfortable, so I do have to give Adidas a plus for that. But the upper, it is mesh, as you guys can see, with little suede hints. They also have some leather on the upper in like spots like right here and coming up. And the full shoe is black, man. Not really much to say about the colorway or anything. And then yeah, the outsole is like a rubber, has like, look like a, you know, the heat map stuff, as you guys can see on geographical maps and stuff. Now on the sizing, I would say go true to size on Yeezy 500s. Not really much to play around with. Just go true to size on Yeezy 500s. You don't have to really go up half a size like other Yeezys, but I know on 700s you usually go up half a size, and on 350s you could go up half a size, but Yeezy 500s you guys could stay true to size, no cap. With sizing goes comfort as usual, and I already said in the colorway breakdown, these are super duper comfortable just because it's so lightweight, and you know, the ortholite cushioning is amazing. So shout out to Adidas, you guys hit the nail on top of the head on these. Now as for the style, I absolutely hate the look of this shoe. That is my personal opinion. But I've seen like some girls style them pretty nicely, not gonna lie to you. But I think girls just make shoes look better because they look smaller, and it looks like cute, you know what I'm saying? Like if I see a guy with a size 12 in this shoe, this is like absolutely disgusting. But to each his own. I wouldn't rock these, but some people, you know, they love this shoe, you feel me? Like I have arguments with my friends all the time, like they'd be like, yo, 500s are fire. I'd be like, yo, what the hell is wrong with you, man? So yeah, fortunately this is a size 9, so I'm gonna bring you guys an on foot on the shoe. So let's cut to that, and then when we come back we're gonna talk about the resale prediction and wrap it up with my final opinions. Boodoo! So coming back from the on foot, hopefully you guys enjoyed the look that I gave you guys. Just a quick little look with the Yeezy Calabasas pants. But yeah, talk about resale, man. I know prices on these were pretty high, around like 500, 600 for a while because they didn't come out again. And now that they came out again, this shoe right here has dropped in price. Right now, smaller sizes are hovering around like 400-ish, and bigger sizes around like 290, 300. Kind of similar to the breads, but these retail is lower. Retail on these is 200, I believe. Breads is 220. So that $30-40 difference in the resale makes sense, you feel me? Kind of, if you know where I'm going. But as for reselling this shoe, I would probably just sell these now. Get back, if I get back 3 something for men's sizes, or 400 for, you know, grade school sizes, I would just do that. You could hold on to them as well, as you know, this shoe will probably go up. It's an all black Yeezy, and this is the 500 model that a lot of people like really like, so these will probably go up. And yeah, do I suggest you buying it now? Probably not, because it's not something that I would be doing on these. But you know, you can make money almost on any shoe if you approach it the right way. So if you guys want to buy it, hold it for like a year. But like I said, I'm personally not a fan of this style and this silhouette, so I wouldn't buy it. And that leads on to my final opinions. Like I said, I'm not a fan of this shoe at all, or the style, so I'll be passing on these, probably selling them to whoever wants them. I have a size 5, 7, and 9, so hit my Instagram down below if you guys want them. And I don't know, just to me, this is just an ugly shoe, man. But yeah, that's the end of this video. It's your boy ALin checking out. You guys leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of the shoe, how it do resale wise, and y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. Your boy's out.